Hello everyone, I am Monalisha Padhi. I am a legal intern at Lexis and Company and I am a third year student of Bharati Vidyapeeth Neola College, Pune. And today's topic is right to privacy. The Constitution of India encompasses right to privacy under Article 21, which is a requisite of right to life and personal liberty. Stressing on the term privacy, it is a dynamic concept which was needed to be elucidated. The scope of Article 21 is multidimensional under the Indian Constitution. Law of torts, criminal laws, as well as property laws also recognize right to privacy. Privacy is something that deals with individual privacy and also which was needed to protect it earlier before the passing of a landmark judgment, that is KS Puttaswamy versus Union of India in 2017, as it was previously not considered a fundamental rights under the Indian Constitution. However, our Indian judiciary has at present carved out a distinctive precedent regarding privacy, and an upshot of that is right to privacy that is now recognized as a fundamental right which is intrinsic under Article 21. There are a plethora of cases on privacy, but none of the cases were in the favor of considering privacy as a fundamental right. It is only after passing of a landmark judgment, that is KS Swamy versus Union of India in 2017, the right to privacy is given due recognition. The right to privacy is not only conceded nationally but also internationally under various convention. So, what is right to privacy? According to Black's Law Dictionary, right to privacy means right to be let alone, the right of a person to be free from any unwarranted interference. Justice D.Y. Chandrachud overruled the principles evolved in the corpus case, that is ADM Jabalpur versus Shivkant Sukla, in the case of Justice K.S. Puttaswamy and others versus Union of India. The terms privacy and right to privacy can't be easily conceptualized. To understand this more appropriately, privacy has been taken in different ways in different situations. Tom Getty said, right to privacy is want to include body, inviolability and integrity and intimacy of personal identity, including marital privacy. George Colley explained the law of privacy and has asserted the privacy is synonymous to right to be let alone. The relationship between person or group or between groups and persons is neutral. Privacy is a value, a cultural state or condition that is intended towards individual on collective self-realization varies from society to society. Fundamental rights are basic rights which are inherited in every human being, and such rights should be endowed in with every citizen of the country along with proper remedies. Certain confidential and furtive part of the human beings can't be proclaimed at public domain. After the passing of recent case of 2017, right to privacy has obtained impetus throughout the India. Various countries have given their convincing recognition to right to privacy, such as USA, UK, India, and various international organizations such as UDHR, ICCP, and ECHR have also given their valid recognition. So, evolution of right to privacy. In ancient India, the concept of privacy can also be pragmatic in the ancient text of Hindus. Looking at the Hindu page, which enumerates that certain matters such as worship, sex, and female matters should be protected from disclosure. Even the privacy in ancient time was related to positive morality. So, in spite of this, right to privacy was vague in the ancient Indian text. The matter related to privacy came before a six bench of the Supreme Court in Kharak Singh versus State of UP but was rejected again. The Supreme Court held that there is no fundamental right to privacy but went on to strike the provision which allowed night visits for violation of personal liberty, and dissented by Justice Subba Rao, wherein he said that right to privacy is still an essential component of public liberty, personal liberty, through such provision was not incorporated as well as declared as a fundamental right under the Indian Constitution. After 11 long years, the Supreme Court, where a smaller three-judge bench, were faced with a similar factual matrix in Gobind versus State of MP, held the existence of a fundamental right to privacy under Article 21. Though Gobind lost, privacy won for the first time and gained a small recognition under personal liberty under the Indian Constitution. A critical question was raised while studying the relationship between Article 19 and 21 during emergency as to whether there existed a natural law right to life and public personal liberty after the suspension of Part 3 of Constitution of India. In case of ADM Jabalpur versus Shivkant Shukla, the Honorable Supreme Court held that there existed no right to life and personal liberty beyond Article 21, and state suspension of Part 3 was constitutionally valid. In 2017, the Supreme Court of India, in its landmark judgment of Justice K.S. Puttaswamy retired and another versus Union of India, categorically held that right to privacy is a fundamental right which is intrinsic to the freedom and liberty of a person. Thank you. That's all for the topic. Please like and comment the video and subscribe the channel.